In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install fonts in Affinity Designer. First, go to any trusted font website like Google Fonts or The Font and download the font that you prefer. Usually, it comes as a zip file. Now, extract the zip to get the .ttf or OTF files. Next is install the font on your computer. And to do that, right-click on it, then click on Install. Once installed, the font becomes available system-wide. Now, if your Affinity Designer app was already open, close and reopen it so that the new font can load. Now, if we check and see the font styles available, you can see here that the font that we download is now available for Affinity Designer too. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!